training was very good. It was very from the starting from the basic. If anyone who doesn't know about Python, from the basic itself, they'll came to know like what is Python and how it works. And from there, we gradually moved, level up, and we have learned about Python and the networking part of it, of the how we can use for the networking part for Python, and also other technology. And about the trainer, Chirag was he was outstanding.
Yeah. So yeah, hi, good morning, Tirthankar. How are
Hey,
you?
hey, good morning. I'm doing good. How about you? How are you doing today?
Perfect. Yeah, everything is good. Look,
Yeah.
it seems like there is going to be a rain in Gurgaon, so let's
Yeah,
see.
yeah, yeah. Back in Kolkata, even here, it's weather seems to be it's going to rain, rain. So it's been raining since last couple of days. So it will continue. So yeah.
We are just waiting. We are just waiting to rain. Like it has been 2 days.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
It
can
seems
understand.
like
Yeah, I can understand. Like, a few of my colleagues are saying they're saying that it's a heavy, the heat wave. They can feel the heat wave. It was very, very heavy. So rain is kind of relief.
it
So
is.
yeah,
It is.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So last month temperature went to around 48 and
yeah.
49 degrees. So this is
Yeah,
something
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. I heard those things because I have a few colleagues there staying there in Noida, Gurgaon. So they are aware of that. They're telling us whatever the weathers are very hot and they are not able to stay go outside and all.
Absolutely.
So it was yeah, yeah,
Perfect. No problem. So, yeah, this is
yeah,
secondly, but yeah, the motive we are here to have a quick
yeah.
feedback call. So,
Hmm.
yeah, let's get started. It would be really great, Tirthankar, if you can let us know how you came to know about PyNet Labs and how was your overall experience in terms of CCNA DEVNet. And
Yeah,
recently, you have enrolled yourself for CCNP DEVCOR also. So, yeah,
yeah.
how is everything going on?
So basically, like if I talk about how I came to know about PyNet Lab, one of my colleague have done a course, CCNA DEVNet course on PyNet Lab. So he told his experience, and from his experience, I came to know that it's a very good course, and the lab is there. So it's very helpful to know about CCNA DEVNet. So that's the reason I pursue for the CCNA DEVNet course, and while I was going through the CCNA DEVNet course curriculum, I found that CCNA DEVCOR also, a very good addition to, to my future. So I just, enrolled for both DEVNet and DEVCOR, and the training wise, training was very good. It was very from the starting from the basic. If anyone who doesn't know about Python, from the basic itself, they'll came to know like what is Python and how it works. And from there, we gradually moved, level up, and we have learned about Python and the networking part of it, of the how we can use for the networking part for Python, and also other technology like Ansible, use of Git. Everything was very useful. The information that the knowledge we have got, and about the trainer, Chirag was he was outstanding. He didn't hesitate to answer anytime we reach out to him. So it was a very good experience with Chirag and team as well. If we have faced any technical glitch of any of the labs, and we got a quick response, and they fixed it very quickly. So it was very helpful. It was very helpful and very useful course. Yeah,
Perfect. So it was related to the content which you have mentioned
yeah,
and your experience
yeah,
regarding information
yeah,
and Python. So how
yeah.
was the study materials which we have shared? Are that enough, or should we add something extra, which can make us more, you can say, like in terms of
Yeah,
services, it would be more beneficial for the student. Yeah.
yeah, study material wise, we have got, day wise study materials, the day, what we have learned today, we got the study material for the day. One thing, that, I might ask for, if your team can, provide official guide, CCNA DevNet official guide from Cisco, that can be, that can be, we are ready to bear extra cost for that, but it will be very much helpful. If we get a hard copy of Cisco book, basically based on a DevNet. So, no, anyone is going for the certifications. See, whatever we have learned, that's for the knowledge purpose, DevNet purpose, everything is fine. But specifically, based out of Cisco, like if I talk about the Cisco DevNet, the exam wise, like in exam wise, the DevNet that book, Cisco Press book, is very much useful. So that is what that should be more helpful for the students to understand more. No, no, go for the
Okay.
exam basically. Yeah.
Understood. So for DevNet part, if I tell you, there are three ebooks which we normally share to the participants. First one
Yeah, yeah.
is the Cisco DevNet Associate, that is
Mm,
official from Cisco
yeah,
only.
yeah, yeah,
Second one is network automation, and third one
yeah,
is Git. So in the
yeah.
form of PDFs, they have been already shared in the Telegram
Yeah,
group. If
that's has been already shared. I have already seen those, and those are helpful. But hard copy is always a hard
hard
copy.
copies are more, yeah.
Always hard copy, because PDF will it will be staying somewhere corner in your laptop corner, and it will be once in a while you'll open it, and
We are
will
going
to
to.
find out something. So hard copy is always hard copy. You'll always see the books, and you'll feel like study and go through those books. So that is how it feels like. No,
Essence will be something
maybe
different.
yeah, maybe it's a oldest thinking, but now if I talk about a Gen Z, they believe in online things, but still hard copy is hard copy. So that is what I
Yeah,
meant to
sure. No problem. This is
say.
genuine feedback,
Yeah,
Tirthankar.
yeah, yeah,
Definitely. I'll share this to the internal team that we can
yeah,
have something which can be
yeah.
in the form of hard copy so that
Yeah,
participants can
yeah, exactly, exactly. It's like no, in the start of the if it's in the start of the course, like if a student get a hard copy, it can be an introduction with the with PyNet Lab, with the student, because they have enrolled for some course, and they are getting something for the enrollment. They are getting they are getting trained in the particular course, but no, after signing in for the course, they are getting a hard copy of the book. It will be
hard
another
copy.
introduction with PyNet Lab, and PyNet. So it can be the PyNet Lab, and with the student, like it can be a Cisco Press book, a modified version of PyNet Lab. It can be a good marketing, I can say, like and also a good introduction with the student and the PyNet Lab, which is very good. I'm not meant to say, like you have to give the Cisco Press book. That's not necessary. If the content might be same, modified by by PyNet Lab, that will be the more beneficial actually. Yeah.
Absolutely, that is fine. That is fine, and I'll surely share this feedback to the team. And from next time or whenever we will plan anything, we first thing we will going to
Yeah,
deliver at your home address, because you have been taking DevCore training also, and this is your feedback. So yeah, we'll
yeah,
take it as a
that's
priority.
completely fine, because no, that should be a memory. Like if I complete my course, and after 5 years and 5 and 6 years, when I find that book, I can remember. Okay,
You'll
I
remember
have
that,
that.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's a memory, I can say, and also like that is also useful to for the course I'm doing. So that is what I meant to say.
Yeah, sure. That is absolutely fine,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I'll definitely consider this feedback
yeah.
and share to the team. So, is there anything else, Tirthankar, you want
No.
to share?
Yes,
No,
everything was fine. Everything
everything is
else
fine.
was fine. Yeah, it was everything was right on time. Whenever we have required for the training, asked for any doubts, it's it was cleared by the tech team. So yeah, that is fine.
Everything is
Everything
fine.
was good. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your time. And yeah,
Thank
all
you.
the very best to you.
Thank you.
This training will definitely help you. Yeah. Even
Yeah.
DevCode, which you are
Yeah.
doing. So yeah,
Yeah.
in the end of the DevCode, we will meet again to
Yeah, yeah,
have
sure,
the
definitely
same
we'll
feedback.
meet again. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
start of the
It
start
is
of the
the start.
relationship, right? It's not like
Absolutely.
we'll continue work together. Don't worry. That's like
Yes,
that will be
yes.
the yeah. So basically, it's a very small word. Networking wall is very small. Like you'll find everywhere. Like if I'm leaving one company today, I can find my colleagues in after 10 years
Everything.
in other companies. So it's a very small world. So yeah.
It is.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Thanks
yeah,
a lot. Thanks a lot.
yeah.
And it was
Thank you.
really nice interacting to you. Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.